Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to deactivate your TikTok account easily in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open the TikTok app on your smartphone. Tap on your profile icon in the lower right corner to access your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the upper right corner to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on Account. Under Account Settings, select Deactivate or Delete Account. Then, choose Deactivate Account from the options provided. Follow the on-screen prompts to review the details and confirm your decision, then tap Deactivate. A verification code will be sent to your phone or email, depending on how you created your account. Once you receive the code, enter it in the provided field. Next, tap Deactivate Account. To finalize, tap Deactivate once more to confirm. And that's it! Your account is now deactivated, and you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.